Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 can't install QuickTime. Type QuickTime Player on browser search bar. Click Download QuickTime. Click Download. Open downloaded location. Right-click downloaded file, click Properties. Check Unblock. Click Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Select Windows 7. Click Apply, OK. Click Next to continue. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.